Name that toy!
Hi everybody, I'm thinking of a toy that can go on a track. It's really long. It makes a sound like choo-choo. It goes really fast. Can you guess? Yes, a toy train!
Fantastic!
I'm thinking of a toy that you can blow up, tie up, and add strings on. You can decorate the house with it, have so much fun at birthdays and parties. Can you guess what I am? Yeah, a balloon!
Super duper!
I'm thinking about a toy that you can take apart and put back together. You can have lots of different photos on top of it and different pictures and different themes. They're really easy or really hard depending on the pieces. Yeah, you're right, it's a puzzle!
Perfect!
Anybody guess what toy I am? You can turn me into a car and you can turn me into a robot. What do you think I am? All the boys like to play with me. Yeah, I'm a transformer.
Fantastic!
Hey everybody, I'm thinking of a toy that's green and has 2 fast legs, 2 short arms. It can run very quickly. It's really fun. Yeah, a dinosaur.
Excellent!
Hi everybody. Little girls like to play with me. You can put me in the house. You can take me to the market. You can do anything you want with me. You're right. I am a doll.
Amazing!
Hi everybody. I am a very fun toy. You can put batteries in me and I walk very slowly. Yes, you are right. I am a robot.
Amazing!
Hi everybody. This is one of my favorite toys. This toy goes in a box and you wind it up and then it jumps right out. Guess what it is? Yes, you're right. It's a Jack in the Box.
Super duper!
Can anybody guess what toy I am? There are lots of squares, circles, rectangles, and triangles in my box. You can build lots of things with me. It's amazing. You're right. It is Lego.
Fantastic! Goodbye!